So guys, this is how to navigate on this app Rwazi that I made video about. If you come to your Play Store, you search for Rwazi. See it, I've installed it. That is why my own is open. So yours, if you come here, you will see it. It will tell you to install. So once you install it, you open it. It will open like this. So once it's open like this, it will ask you to turn on your notification if your notification is not on. So I've turned mine on now. So like I was telling you people about Ella. See Ella, this one now is Ella. The Ella is if you have any question, you are free to ask. Alright? You're free to ask any question about, maybe let me use fitness now as an example. Have you seen, I asked question about fitness, so this was the response. Have you seen my chat with Ella? They respond very fast. Whatever that you ask, they will respond as fast as possible for you. Have you seen asking me exercise tips and motivation, workout routines, fitness goals, stay active and fit? So which one I want now, I will just type. Have you seen is writing the answer, exercise tips and motivation. You will see it now. You just bring out the answer for me sharp sharp. Have you seen it? See the answers. Finding an exercise you enjoy, setting realistic goals, creating a routine, staying motivated. So if I want to ask another question, I should also come back and ask for more question. So here now is my profile. This is my profile. All right. So this is my payment setup. Like I told you people, you can withdraw in this app through three methods, either with your bank account or connect your mobile money or with your PayPal. So here is my wallet. Yeah, I've gotten 0.001 USD here now, equivalent of 62 francs. That is what I've gotten. The gifts I sent, I've not gotten the your tax is not reviewed yet, so they have not reviewed my tax that I did. So these are where, if you have gig, this is where you will find it. For now, there is no gig that pop up. You understand? So whenever they ask you to do anything, this is where you will find it. So this is the Ella for asking question. So it's very easy and simple to navigate. All right, so I said let me share with you guys how to navigate on this app. So this is your referral. You want to refer someone now, this is for referral. You tap there now and refer the person. This is your referral code. This now is my own referral code. So you download it, they will show you your own referral code. So the app is very easy and simple to navigate. So in this profile now, they'll ask you to fill your profile. Have you seen this? How to fill profile, personal info. This is my personal info. After it, you tap next. After filling this section, you tap next. After filling this section, you tap next. After filling many questions, so you just tick the one that you know. Tap next. Have you seen it? So everything is okay. The next thing is to connect my bank account and set up my account for withdrawal. So whichever one that you have, bank account or mobile money or PayPal, you connect it and you're good to go. Have you seen it? You are currently connected to your bank account. Would you like to connect another bank account? So I'm already connected. So that's how to navigate on this app. It's very easy and simple. All right. So I said let me share with you guys how to navigate. If you want to change your password, you can change it. This one is notification. You turn it on so that when there is a new gig, you'll be able to see the gig. All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I beg, subscribe now. Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Love you guys. See you guys in my next one.